Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have n minus 5 whole cubed equals to minus 125, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So here we find all the roots of this nice problem. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we move this minus 125 in the left hand side, and we will write it as n minus 5 whole cubed and plus 125, and this whole equation equals to 0. And in the next step we will rewrite this equation as uh, n minus 5 whole cubed plus, here we write this 125 as 5 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here you focus on the left hand side, and you see that here we need to use an important cubic formula, and you know that about this formula, if we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a squared minus ab plus b square. So this is our cubic formula, and now we can use this formula here, and here you see that in the above equation we have the value of a equals to n minus 5, and the value of b equals to only 5. So when you put the value of a and b in this formula, then you will get its output in the form of, here we obtain in the left hand side, when you put here a equals n minus 5, then you get n minus 5 cubed plus, when you put the value of b, and b is 5, so you get 5 cubed, and this whole equals to a plus b, and a is n minus 5 and b is 5, and this whole equation equals to, here you have a squared, and a is n minus 5 whole square, and minus ab, so we have a is n minus 5 and b is only 5, and plus b square, so b is 5, so we get here 5 squared. And in the next step we will make a little bit simplifications in the right hand side, and you see here this whole equation equals to 0. So now we have these two terms are cancelled by each other, and you will get here only n into, here we can open this nice formula, and we will use here the square identity. I can just recall this identity here. If you have a minus b whole squared, it is equals to a squared plus 2 times of ab and plus b square. So this is the formula. If you have minus sign, so this sign will becomes negative. So this is the over square identity I can recall here, and now we will apply this nice identity in this term. So you get n squared minus 2 times of ab, and we have minus 10 times of n, and we will just multiply this 5 by this term, and you will get, so here you have n squared minus 10n plus 5 squared, and we multiply this 5 on these terms, and you get minus 5 times of n plus 25, and we have the square of this 5 is again 25, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now here we need to make some little bit simplifications here, and you will see that we have the terms like n times of, here we will make simplifications and you get n squared, and we have minus 10n minus 5n equals to minus 15n, and we have 5 squared, so 5 squared equals to 25, and you have 25 plus 25 equals to 50, and this whole equals to 0. So now we again make little bit simplifications here, and you get n squared minus 15n plus 75, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we will write n equals to 0, and the other case is we write n squared minus 15 n plus 75 equals to 0. So in this case you will get the, so here we say that n is equals to 0 be the trivial solution of the given problem, and now in order to find the other roots we will solve this nice quadratic equation here. So here we will use the quadratic formula, and you know that we have a equals to 1, b equals to minus 15, and c equals to 75, and our nice quadratic formula will be n equals to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. So now this is the our quadratic formula, and now we put all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and you will get its output in the form of n equals to minus b, and you have the value b is minus 15. So when you put here, then you get 15 plus minus minus 15 squared minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 75, and this whole square root over 2 times of a is 1. And now we will make the little bit simplifications here, and you will get the other roots from here, and you have 15 plus minus the square of minus 15 will be equals to 225, and we have 4 times of 75 will be equals to 300, and its whole square root over 2. And now we will take a little bit simplifications here, and you get 15 plus minus minus 75 square root over 2. So here we rewrite this equation as 15 plus minus, we write this 75 as 25 times of 3 and its whole square root, and we will write the square root of minus 1 and this whole over 2. So now here you obtain n equals to, you have 15 plus minus square root of 25 will be equals to 5 into 5 times of square root of 3, and you know that the square root of minus 1 equals to iota and this whole over 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.